Hi guys, today we're going to talk about Lambada. Lambada is a color matching hand management card game from Outset. Each copy of Lambada comes with your instruction manual, our victory chips with beautiful art on them, a deck of 56 cards, different colors, and 7 gray matching cards. Setup for a game of Lambada couldn't be easier. I'm going to take my 7 gray starter cards and I'm going to lay them face up on the table, spelling the word Lambada. Now I'm going to draw 2 colored cards from the top of my deck. It's important to note that these cards have to be different both in letter and in color. So in this case, I've drawn 2 yellows. I'm going to draw one, put one back on the bottom of the deck, and draw a new card. So now we have different letters, different colors. I'm going to put an A on top of any one of the gray A starting cards. I've chosen this one. I can put a D on the actual gray starter card D. Each player is dealt 7 cards from the top of the deck, and then the deck itself is actually flipped over. So for the draw, we can actually see what the next card is. We are now ready to play Lambada. The youngest player is going to go first, and proceeding clockwise, you can go counterclockwise if you want, each player is going to take a turn playing 1 card from their hand, resulting in 3 possible outcomes. Now the outcomes rely on the color that's showing here. On the gray starter cards, the yellow and green can be played. When I play a green card, for example, I will actually be able to pass 1 card from my hand to a player to the left. Normally that would happen with the yellow A, but here yellow is the forbidden color. Whichever color is on the top of that draw deck, when I play that card, it results in a penalty and I add 3 cards to my hand. Let's say, for example, I was to play a blue card. Blue is not the forbidden color. It's not represented here on the gray starter cards. When I play that blue, I actually still get a penalty. I'm going to draw 1 card from the deck and add it to my hand. So what I want to do is I want to play a card that's represented on the gray starter and is not the forbidden color. So here I'm going to play a second blue card, which allows me to take 1 card from my hand and pass it to the player to my left. It's important to note that there's no time limits in Lambada. Take your time, strategize what you're going to play and what you're going to pass. The first player to play all the cards from their hands wins the round. Another rule to note in Lambada is the 5th color penalty. Now in this scenario, we have 4 green cards on our gray starter cards, and I happen to have a green B in my hand. If I were to play this card, that would mean that there's 5 or more of the same color on the gray starter cards. This would trigger a penalty, forcing me to draw 3 more cards to my hand. So how do we end a round of Lambada? So in this example, I have 2 cards left. I'm very close to winning the game. Here's our gray cards, gray starter cards covered with colored letters. You'll notice that 1 of the gray cards is still uncovered. So in this scenario, I know I don't want to play the red M. Red is the forbidden color, and that would incur a 3-card penalty. So I'm going to play my purple A. Because I've now played a color that's already on one of the gray starters, I get to pass a card. I win the game, right? Wrong. I've left one of the gray starter cards uncovered, which means I draw 1 card to my hand. So let's replay that round, and I'll show you how I'm going to win this round. Instead, I'm going to play my purple A here. I've played that purple that's already represented on the gray starter. I get to pass 1 card from my hand to the player to my left. I am now out of cards. I'm going to remember to shout, Lambada! And I'm going to get 1 victory token. The round ends. We're going to shuffle up and play again. So Lambada comes with a set of beautifully illustrated victory tokens. When you play a 2 to 4 player game, the first to collect 3 victory tokens or win 3 rounds is the winner. In a 5 to 6 player game, it's 2 tokens, or winning 2 rounds. Always remember, when you win a round in Lambada, you have to shout, "Lambata!" and do a fun little dance. It's supposed to be in a Lambada style? I don't know what that was. I don't want to forget to mention that the cards in Lambada have symbols. If you or a family member suffers from color blindness, then the symbols will still make it possible for you to play and enjoy this awesome family card game. Lambada is for 2 to 6 players, recommended for ages 8+. It's a fantastic light strategy card game, brand new from Outset, available in stores now. I hope you've enjoyed learning about our new card game today, and hopefully you'll pick up a copy soon.
Because games matter.